everyone, welcome back to the channel. Losing Crinkle, Boomer and Dodgers in such a short space of time was a terrible loss. But there's been one cat that has brightened up our lives, and it's Hugo. He's the ever happy cat. Hugo doesn't do bad days. Hugo is always ready for a cuddle. He loves being picked up. You have to be careful because he's got an old wound or an old injury on the back of his one of his back legs, and that sometimes hurts him. But he loves being picked up. He loves cuddles. He loves getting his head into your shoulders and underneath your face. He loves his garden. He loves the grass. He gets in there. He gets into the tall weeds. He can't see where he's going, but he doesn't care. I mean, here he was with Boffers and Hair Bear was around, and Woody, and he was being a cat. He had grass under his feet. He had the sun on his back, and he was making the most of it. And he was with cats that he knew, cats that he can relax with and play with. I mean, Hugo, for anyone that doesn't know, Hugo is on the right. He's black and white, and Hugo is blind. And Hugo was a shelter cat, and he came with two others, Wolfie and Chico, also blind. And when he first arrived, he wouldn't leave my bedroom. He paced around the walls of my bedroom all day long. If I walked into the bedroom, he would hide in the corner. He was terribly nervous. And over time, he left the bedroom, he went out into the lounge, and from the lounge to the kitchen, and gradually he came outside. And recently, as soon as the rains came and the garden transformed from dry to lush to green, he's found a new life. And also his confidence in himself is building, because there are strays that come into the garden, and one of them is being aggressive now towards all of the cats, but in particular to Callie, the kitten. And Hugo won't have that. So whereas my other cats, my seeing cats, will back off from this stray, Hugo will confront him, and now this stray is backing off from Hugo. It's a typical bully situation. But Hugo is blind, and he's standing up to the bully, just in the same way that William is blind, and William will fight the stray cats, the bullies. It's wonderful to see. It's inspiring, it's lifting, it lifts the mood. The mood here hasn't been great since we lost Crinkle. But Hugo has helped us. You can't do it at the moment because the weather is awful. The cats are bored. There's nothing I can do. It's heavy rain. I'm sure when the sun comes out again, they'll all be out again. Hugo as well. More to come, everyone. So as usual, we will all see you all again a bit later.